Good morning children, welcome to our class. Let's start new chapter addition. What is the second chapter? Addition. Addition on the number line. Addition means counting forward. Addition means counting forward. Okay. Now on that example that given here getting some numbers that is shown on the number line. This is called as a number line. Okay children. I will take a 0 to 12 on a number line. I will show it. Okay. You need what amma? You need 2 plus 6. Where is the here 2? 2 is there. 2 after 6 steps you move forward. 2 after 6 steps you move forward. Okay? 2 after you move 6 steps forward. Means 6 steps munduku ellali. Okay. Now count that amma. 2 after counting how many? 6. How many steps? 6 steps. 2 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count like that. 1, 2. No. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now like this, this is indicated one step forward. Every this half circle is indicated one step forward. So you get which number? 8. Now 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. Should write here 8 amma. Now next problem. Here getting 7 plus 5. 7 after you moving how many steps forward? 7 after you moving 5 steps forward. Okay. Here where is it? 7 is there. 7 is there. 7 after how many steps amma? 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get which number? 12. Now 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now next one amma. Next one more problem is there. That is 5 plus 9. Here 5 plus 9. So 5 plus 9 means 5 after 9 steps move forward. Okay. We will count like that. Now 5 after how many steps? 9 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you get which number? 14. So 5 plus 9 is the 14. You should write here 5 plus 9 is the 14. Please copy in your classwork amma. Okay. 5 plus 9 is the 14. Please copy in your classwork amma. Addition means counting forward. Shall I repeat children? One more bit is there amma. That is counting and by counting forward. children? 5 plus 3. Counting forward, Amma. 5 plus 3, how much children? 5 plus 3. How much? 5 after we counting how many steps? 3 steps. 5 after 3 steps. 3 steps. 5 after what comes, Amma? 5 after 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is the 8. You get 5 plus 3 is the 8. Should write here 5 plus 3 is the 8. Now next one, Amma. 7 plus 2. Okay. Count, Amma. Add by counting forward. So, we are counting here. First number after how many here? 7 plus 2. 7 after how many is there? 2 steps. 7 after how many steps? 2 steps. So, 7 after what comes? 8, 9. So, 7 plus 2 is the 9. Now, next one, Amma. 5 plus 7. Now, 5 after how many steps? 7 steps. 5 after 7 steps. 5 after what comes? 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 plus 7 is the 12. Should write here 12. Now next 5 plus 8. 5 after how many steps forward? 5 after 8 steps forward. 5 after you should take. 5 after you should take how many steps? 8 steps. 5 after what comes, Amma? 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 5 plus 8 is the 13. Now next one, Amma, 9 plus 3. 9 after how many steps forward? 9 after 3 steps forward. 9 after what comes? 9 after 3 steps forward. 9 after what comes, Amma? 9 after 10, 11, 12. So 9 plus 3 is the 12. Now next one, Amma. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. So 8 after how many steps forward? 8 after 5 steps forward. Now 8 after what comes? 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 plus 5 is the 13. Now next one, Amma. 15 plus 3. 15 after how many steps forward? 15 after 3 steps move on forward. You move 3 steps forward. 15 after what comes? 15 after 16, 17 and 18. So 15 plus 3 is the 18. Now next one, Amma. 9 plus 8. Here 9 after 8 steps to forward you to move. So we have count like that, Amma. 9 after 8 steps forward. 9 after what comes? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9 plus 8 is the what? 9 plus 18 is the 17. 9 plus 8 is the 17. Okay, please copy in your class mark, Amma. Now your homework is today homework. Now these 4 are your homework, Amma. Please copy it, Amma. That 4 do and post it, Amma. Video and post it. Okay. children. Okay, Amma. Happy Diwali, all of you. Be careful from lights. Okay, thank you. Bye.